Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 335. The title of today's lesson is No matter is always followed by a WH clause. Okay, let's look at the note here. A WH word is any word that introduces questions and relative clauses, clauses that are related to it. Okay, good. Let's continue. Some of the most common WH words are, these are really, really common ones. Why, who, which, what, where, whether, and how. So now you see why they call them WH words, is the majority of them actually do begin with WH. Except for how, although how does have a W and an H in it, but the W is at the end and the H is at the beginning. But how is considered to be a WH word. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. The pattern is usually no matter, plus the WH word, plus the subject, plus the verb. All right, so this is a problem I found mostly when I'm correcting students in writing. This comes up a lot in writing. A lot of students where English is the second language do this. It's most noticeable in writing. It's very obvious in writing. In speech, it might go by so fast, you'll a native speaker will understand it. He may not say anything, but he may know what's going on anyway. He might be able to figure out what somebody where English is the second language is saying. But in writing, it really pops out and it pops off the page. So let's look at the first example again here with the X. The X, of course, means that's wrong. So no matter he studies hard, he cannot pass the exam. Yeah, again, like if somebody where English was the second language was speaking this, a native speaker would probably understand it, but it really looks bad in writing. So here's the correct way. You should say it, no matter how. So here you put the WH word in here. No matter how hard he studies, he cannot pass the exam. Yeah, suddenly this sentence sounds much better, much clearer, much smoother, much more natural. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Again, with the X, this is wrong. No matter he gets up early or late, he is still usually late for work. So again, with the check, this is correct. No matter whether, sometimes we use like whether for meaning like if. He gets up early or late, and the same thing. He is still usually late for work. So again, you needed that WH word to follow no matter. Okay, let's look at the last one here. No matter he goes, he couldn't find his missing dog. Now, of course, with the check, this is right. This one's more obvious. No matter where he goes, he couldn't find his missing dog. Well, anyway, remember, so no matter plus a WH word, plus the subject, plus the verb. Again, very, very important in writing, but even in speech, you need to correct it. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.